Okay, my neighbor gave me some s'mores. So let's check this out and see if I can. Gotta do it camping style. This is the titanium portable stove. I haven't made s'mores in decades, so this is pretty exciting. So this is my folding titanium stove, and it's pretty easy to set up. You can see there's really not a lot of smoke coming out. This is coming out of the front door. So I got the door open. So we're doing there. Oh yeah, we're definitely getting some s'mores action. This is how you do it. Trick is not to let it melt off the stick, and the other trick is not to burn it. Having campfire flashbacks here. Okay, that's good enough. We'll leave it at that. And that's how you make some s'mores. Alright, it's gonna taste a little smoky. They told me to use the microwave. I'm like, no, I'm using the camp stove. That's the first one. There'll be many more